Hello, friends. Welcome to Fantastic Learning. Yay! Let's meet some farm animals with our farm book. Wow! It looks like let's open it. Say one, two, three. Say open. Wow. Whoa. Our first animal is. Oh my god, look what's Mickey saying. He here. Moo, moo. Let's see who says moo. Oh, it's a cow. Look, friends, it's a cow. Cow says moo, moo. Can you say moo like a cow? Say moo, moo. Now let's see. Oh my god, look who's coming to meet us. Oh, it's a cow. Yay, it's a cow. It's my toy cow. Yes, friends, now let's meet another animal with me. Oh, look, Minnie Mouse. Here's Neigh, neigh, neigh. Ah, it's a horse. Horse says neigh, neigh. Can you say neigh, neigh like a horse? Neigh, neigh. Yeah, friends. Oh, look, there's a bird over there. Can you see the bird? Wow, it's a cute bird. It's a bluebird. Yeah. Now, let's see what the Donald Duck is feeding his friend some straw. And he jumps and says, hee-haw, hee-haw. Oh, it's a donkey. Look, friends, the donkey says, hee-haw, hee-haw. Can you say hee-haw like a donkey with me? Oh, hee-haw. Oh, I think, and friends, I can see a butterfly over there. Can you see a butterfly? Look, friends, it's a pink butterfly. Wow. Let's see what the next animal is. Oh, you all can guess it, friends. It's a duck. Yes, friends, there are two big ducks. Father duck and mother duck. And there are so many little ducks over there. Wow, friends. And they are saying quack, 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 quack. Can you say quack, quack like a duck with me? Oh my god, little duck is here also. We got the toy duck over here. It's yellow color duck. And it is saying quack, 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 quack. Can you say quack, quack like a duck? Quack, 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 quack. Yes, friends. The next animal is Goofy hears a strange sound, and it's like oink oink, oink oink, and it's rolling in the ground. Let's see who is it. Oh, it's a pig. It's a pig. Pig says oink oink. Oh, there are two pigs. A mummy pig and a baby pig. They are saying oink oink, oink oink. Can you say oink oink like a pig? And we got the toy pig also, friends. Oh, that's really cute, friends. They're so cute. It says oink oink, oink oink. The next animal is. It's a cat. Yay, friends. It's a cat. It says meow, meow. Can you say meow meow like a cat with me? Meow. And look what the cat is drinking. It's drinking milk. And what is the Pluto doing? He is raising his ears and saying whoop whoop. And he's looking at the cat. It says meow, meow. And it's drinking milk. Now let's see what our last animal is. Let's see who is it. It is... we have reached the end of the Mickey's farm and he hears whoop whoop. It's a dog. It's a dog, friend. Can you say whoop whoop like a dog? Whoop 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 whoop. It's a dog. Wow, friend, that's a cute doggy. Oh, it's so cute. Now, I think we got a toy dog also. It's so cute. It has a bell on his neck, I think so. Wow, friends. Now, we'll meet all the animals: cow, duck, dog, pig, horse, and a donkey. We met all the animals. We are going now, friends. It's the end of our farm book. It's the first book of sounds of all the farm animals. Bye bye, friends. See you in the next video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye, friends. See you in the next video.